So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat, and as you all know, I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail management from James College Delhi. And in today's video, if you read the caption, you will definitely say that this like I am definitely ये पागल हो गया है, ऐसा कुछ आपके मुंह से निकलेगा. But if you look, like if you find out, if you want to find out that why I am saying this, because there are a lot of reason behind that. So first of all, whenever you see the 2020 student or 2021 student, they are already pass out in 2020 or 2021. So they are sitting ideal at home, they don't have any job. So there are a lot of reason that your college is dash dash. So for getting to know more and more about this topic, please watch the complete video. Come to our main topic, that why I am saying that college is a scam. Because let's imagine a situation when where any student is investing around 10 lakh in business school for his or her PGDM diploma or MBA program. Mostly student now prefer of PGDM diploma only. So in PGDM diploma the fees will be around 7 lakh. I am expecting minimum 7 lakh only, because if you want to go in a good college, at least on an average college, then you have to invest around 7 lakh. And that will be only tuition fee, which will be your college fees only. There will be a lot of charges after your tuition fee also, but I am not counting in this amount. So first of all, you are investing 7 lakh in your PGDM diploma, plus if you are living in hostel or PG, around 3 lakh you have to like you need 3 lakh to live in a hostel or in a PG. If you are outsider, then definitely you have to invest. So on an average, every student in India investing around 10 lakh. And 10 lakh if you are investing, plus 2 years, your most valuable 2 years, if you are investing in PGDM program only, then you have to think strategically that if you are investing in 10 lakh plus 2 years, so the next 2 year you have to you have to take ROI, which is a return on investment. Because if you are investing around 10 lakh na, so you should work according to the result oriented goal, that you are investing 10 lakh, and within 1 year you will take a ROI of around 7 to 8 lakh. Then it will be only fruitful. And if you investing around 10 lakh na, then you should think before taking the admission, that you are investing 10 lakh, then you will definitely get a, like in within 1 year you will get around 7 to 8 lakh in your return. Then only it will be fruitful. And I think if you get after investing 10 lakh plus 2 years, on average 3 to 4 lakh, then I don't think so it will be like fruitful for you. Because you can work like I will tell you, in a retail store, in any Zara store, the salesperson is working who will get around 12,000. And 12,000, and after like 3 to 4 year, definitely he will be a great at a great position. Then if you do MBA and invest too much amount and you are at the same position, then I don't think so. If you are getting 3 to 4 lakh, and if you are satisfied with this amount, then maybe you will not get that much ROI if you are investing around 10 lakh. And so why I am saying this, that I am taking like I have taken a practical experience of a MBA. And if you invest 5 lakh only in a particular kirana store at a good location in a society, or like nearby to society, or where the people are living. So if you are investing around only 5 lakh na, I'm not saying much more than 5 lakh, you will definitely get within months only you will get your ROI. So think strategically, that if you are planning to go for any MBA program, then definitely you should think about the ROI, which is your major like concern whenever you enroll or whenever you go for any college. Here I will try to put an example of my CR, who was a CR of our class. That he was, his name is Shresh, and he got around 6 lakh package in company of Reckitt Benckiser, which is a parent company of Dettol and every like lots of small companies. So he got a like 6 lakh package and good company, and the for a 6 lakh package, the work he did, he knows only. And like we can expect only, we can say only that this person worked that much and this person worked that much, but definitely the person who worked for any particular goal, that person is only knows that how much he put his effort. So he got a, like in the final placement, he got a around 6 lakh package in hand salary he will get after probation period. And the position was also the manager. But the like telling of this example is purpose is that if you are investing now, then you should think according to your result, your ROI, then only go for any particular MBA. Because on average, every average student is getting 3 to 4 lakh package, which I think that this 3 to 4 lakh is not justified to yourself, that if you are investing 10 lakh and if you are getting only 3 to 4 lakh package, then either you not worked so hard for your goal, or maybe the like you were not able to connect with yourself or to MBA. Because in any situation, if you have a good skill, if you have a capability, then you will definitely get at any time in any company job. And here I already given an example that in a situation of a in a 2020 in the last year 2020, in the end he got a placement. So the purpose of making this video is only that if you are planning to go for any MBA college, then think strategically and think beyond the like fun and enjoyment, that if you are investing this much amount, then you will definitely damn sure about this amount, that before depositing that fees, that you will definitely get a ROI this much amount and within this year, then only it will be fruitful. And if you think that you will not able to extract the ROI, then you should think in a business point of view. That's so I hope this video is helping you in your pursuing MBA, or if you are planning to pursue for MBA, so maybe it will help you little bit. And if you have any doubt regarding MBA, regarding colleges, then you can mention your doubt in comment box. And if you want to ask on my mail ID, I can also mention my mail ID in the description box. You can share any doubt on that mail ID. So till that, thank you, bye bye.